Welcome to my animated Fifaland farm. Here's a field of ripe potatoes, it's time to dig them out. For this job we will need a tractor, which is located in this large barn. Excellent! This small Swaraj tractor is perfect for this task. We will also need a potato harvesting machine, and this old digger will be perfect for this task. So let's get to work.
Welcome to my farming simulation game. This video is intended for ages 13+, and this channel only features gaming animations. Today, a plane delivers a box of empty alcoholic beverage bottles to our farm. The farmer's task will be to mow the wheat and deliver it to the factory producing drinks. First, we will load empty bottles onto the truck trailer using a forklift, and then the combine harvester will go to the wheat field. Excellent. This is our wheat field. This is one of the ingredients of our drink, which gives it a specific wheat flavor. So let's get started. It looks like our combine harvester has a full tank. What machine will we need to empty? Yes. For this task, we will need a large tractor with a large green trailer. Excellent. The trailer is already full. It's time to take our grain to the appropriate mill that will pack it into bags. Our wheat bags are ready. It's time to take them to the factory where they will be added to the remaining ingredients of our new drink. We are on site at a beverage factory. The basic stages of production of our drink are mashing, filtration of the mash, brewing, fermentation, maturation, filtration, and finally bottling. Excellent. We can fill our drink and deliver it to the farm. A guessing game. The rules are simple. We provide the manufacturer's logo and you have to guess the company name. Only a true automotive expert has a chance to get 11 correct answers. Volkswagen. Honda. Audi. Chevrolet. BMW. Toyota. Porsche. Mercedes-Benz. Maserati. Ferrari. Lamborghini. How many did you guess?